customer complained that they car making noise, and look at what I found.
So yeah guys, this customer complained that their car making noise. I drive it, it creeped me out. I'm like, what kind of noise is that? But then I get under here, pull this out, get a magnet, and I start finding CO2 tank. Like every time I put the magnet, there's a tank come out. Cause I was like, I never hear no car make that sound before. And then you can see they're coming out. I still have more. So guys, look at all this that I find. So hell yeah, it's gonna make noise. I asked the customer, they say, it's probably their son home. Like, what the heck? And they all spent